जय श्री कृष्ण फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आस्क हितेश एस्ट्रोलॉजी. कृष्ण इज हैप्पीनेस, कृष्ण ही खुशी है, एज आई ऑलवेज से. एंड टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट द जेमिनी साइन, their horoscope for the month of May 2020, and it is based on the moon sign. And please, before starting the video, please subscribe the channel, like it, comment it, keep supporting as you are doing. I am very much obliged for that. Please push the notification bell also, so you would get all my videos that I post time to time. If you have any queries, if you want to take consultations from me, if you have any problems in your life, I wish you don't have any problems, but still if you take any kind of advice from me, you can contact me on the numbers, like it keeps flashing, my numbers keep flashing in the video, and it is given in the description of the video below also. You can contact me through the email also. And if you want to study astrology in a simple manner, in a spiritual manner, then also you can contact me for that, for knowing about the course, about the fee structure. So for the month of May, the Gemini sign people, I would say, like, this is a time where you have to collect yourself. It is the time where you have to balance yourself very nicely, because for Gemini sign people, this month in the kendras, in the quadrants, only Rahu and Ketu are sitting. So there is no presence of a good or benefic planet in your chart this month. So you have to be a little cautious. And your Rashi Lord also is going into the 12th house. That is not a bit good for you, for Gemini sign people. So you have to just hold yourself. You shouldn't try any kind of adventurism at this time, in the sense like you shouldn't actually go for any kind of huge expenses or expenditures. Don't waste your money in any kind of luxuries and comforts, or any kind of like relationships that you shouldn't go at this time, because all those things are going to create much and lot of problem for you. For the Gemini sign people, it is very important that you please walk on the line of dharma, on the road of dharma. You collect yourself very nicely. By your mind also, you have to be very stable, because there would be things that are going to trouble you, or they are going to shake you at this time. Maybe those things are related to your house, maybe you are away from your house, or there are some kind of problems related to your house. Maybe your mother is also not well, maybe there are some problems related to your father at your house. So there are going to be some kind of disruptions, like there are going to be some kind of obstructions at your domestic front also. So those things can also bother you. Sometimes you are not going to feel yourself very confident, though till 15th of May you are going to have all the kind of energy, all the kind of strength that you need to move in front, like to do your things, to carry on your daily course, and all those stuff will be there. But still, like, you'll be down with energy. Your mental balance will not be that good. Some kind of uncertainties will be there, some kind of like mental pressures will be there, maybe because of your jobs, maybe you some kind of transfers, some kind of losing job, that kind of things. Or maybe if you haven't got jobs till now, then again that pressure will be there, and it will keep on building also on you, that for the job also. Because see, this time actually it is very good, like if you had to get any kind of job from the abroad, or if you had to go abroad and do some kind of work. But because of these lockdown, the things are very tight. You can't go out and nobody can come in. It's like that kind of situation. So any of you, like Gemini sign people, if you are into any kind of like online work, that is going to help. And that too, if you are working in relation to foreign, that is going to be very good. You are going to find new jobs in that areas also. But you have to be at your home at present, in your home at present, because from there you can do certain kind of work. But still, at a workplace there are going to be problems. You are going to face some kind of hurdle, obstructions, or maybe delays. You are not getting the kind of work that you need at this time. Or maybe if you are wanting job, things are delayed, you are not getting the responses also. Communication will be like not happening between you and the authorities, and all those kind of things. Please be very sincere in keeping relationships with your authorities and seniors, though they'll be supporting you. But after 15, maybe Some of them can turn down on you, and you can face like the things are not moving or they are not supporting you. So you shouldn't be actually saying anything bad to them, or you shouldn't actually go against them, your teachers, your support authorities, your father. You have to be very careful in that, otherwise there can be some kind of problems related to those things also. Finances mostly will be good, like by the skills that you have to do lot of hard work. By your skill, by luck, by fortune, your money thing will be rolling, like wealth is going to be okay with you. It is not going to come in like bulk. You can't expect too much from the wealth point of view at this time, Gemini sign people, though there are problems for everyone, but for Gemini sign people, this month is going to be a little tough for the money thing. Also, you shouldn't invest any kind of things in stock or shares. Don't go for gambling. There is a huge chances that you can lose money. Health wise also, you have to be very sincere, because anything like overindulgence in anything, or eating non-veg, intoxication, that can create lots of problem with you. Though Rahu is sitting in your first house, there is some kind of confidence that is going on with you. You are thinking that you are going to pull off things that are going bad. That confidence is very good. Rahu sitting in the first house, and you are ambitious also at this time, at the same time. But sometimes the things are not moving in favor of you. Shouldn't feel frustrated about that, because things again will be good. Maybe in the next month, after some time, the things are going to be easy. Take care of your health. The most important and beautiful point will be in between all these things, your children, they will do good. Maybe your education, any kind of higher education, if you are planning, those things also will be disrupted, and the things will not move on very nicely. But you will hear good news from your children. There is going to be love and support in the family. With your life partners also, it is going to be good time, though there are problems with them also at this time. Some kind of distance is there, maybe between you and your life partner, or they are going through some kind of rough patches, or maybe they are sick. Those kind of things are there. Some kind of unexpected money, some kind of money that you are doing, like some kind of money that can be earned through some hidden sources, that work that you can do maybe just to earn quick money, but from the right thing, from the right sources, that opportunities can come to you this month. So that in that way it is a relief. Some or the other work will be keep coming, because I have told you, wealth wise the things are going to be good, though you have to work hard for it. You have to sharpen your skills, you have to keep your mind balanced, that too intact, because there are times when you will feel some kind of depression, isolations, and all those kind of things. You will feel that the things are not working very good. At the home front also, there are some kind of problems, or maybe you are at a distant place and you are worrying about your home, or there is some kind of sickness with your mother or father. Those kind of things can happen, or with your life partner also. So all in all, the things are, I can say it's not very good situation for the Gemini sign people this month. Your friends and your younger brothers and elder brothers, they'll be in support of you. You'll get a lot of support from your relative, friends, and from that section, that sector. It is going to be good. So it is a point of relief from that side. You have to take care of some kind of infections also this month, Gemini sign people, because some kind of health problems are seen for you at this time. So you have to be very cautious, because these times are not very good, altogether, for any kind of disease or any kind of infection. So please stay at home. For Gemini sign people, it is very important. For you, it's important for everyone, but for sometimes, if the planets are not very favorable for any signs, so for Gemini sign people, this month you have to be extra cautious. Maybe some kind chances of infections or fevers or those kind of things can happen. So you have to be careful in that. You can get some kind of as I've told you. So there is going to be support from the family. There is going to be support from the children also. They are going to be good. They will be the point of a relief relief for you. Jobs, new jobs, promotions, and new, like going into new things, that is not seen in this month for the Gemini sign people. You shouldn't feel much frustrated about that, because things will ease out. But you should keep working on it. You should do hard work. You should pull off things from where you are seeing like there is a chance of getting some kind of work or money. You should tap those kind of sources also. You should take help from your relative, friends, younger brothers or elder brother if you are having any kind of problem related to your profession, because professional wise it is not going to be the like most like a good month for the Gemini sign people. The things are not very happening for you in this month, and at the same time you have to take care of your health, and then you have to keep your balanced mind, everything very intact also. You have to respect also your authorities and your father and elders. That too is very important. You have to walk on the line of dharma also. You have to be spiritual also. In no way please deviate from that path, because otherwise things can be a little bit troubled. Because see that when the things are not moving, some kind of pressures are there, and then money is also not flowing in very much, like, and you are not getting your desired jobs, then maybe you can actually drift from the righteous path and go on like doing something very bad, or some of the things that are not wanted at this time for the Gemini sign people. So please keep your focus very right, keep your concentrations very right. Maybe sometime some things are not working, so that does not mean like the life is going to finish. It is just a month, so you just have to hold yourself. You just have to tell yourself that everything is going to be okay. And in the meantime, you can have like you can be planning for the future. And for that also you have to keep yourself positive. It's not like that in the future also, like you should think like nothing is going to be good for you, or there are going to be many problems in the future also, because it's nothing like that. Soon in the near future you are going to have all the kind of jobs, money, wealth, and all the kind of confidence back. Though confidence, I am telling, it is going to be good. Your courage, everything will be there. Some support system is going to be there from the authorities, government. If you are into all those kind of things, you will get support from the brother, relative, friends, everything. Don't go into any kind of unnecessary relationships at this time. Maybe if you are getting any kind of those kind of chances at this time, please don't go into all those kind of things, intoxications, no shortcuts, and please maintain a healthy relationship with your life partner, because things can be troubled for you Gemini sign people at this time, and many of the things are not working for you at this time on many fronts. But still I would say things are good. You are going to have nice sleep. You are going to find your corner of happiness this month somehow or the other. Money is going to roll in. Be spiritual. Don't eat any kind of non-veg this month. If you are into all those kind of things, intoxication, alcoholism, don't go for any kind of stock, shares, gambling. Please stay away from that. If you are having any kind of problem, like severe problem, then you should please worship Lord Ganesha this month. It is going to help you very much. And then you should worship Lord Shaligram also, and you should offer Tulsi leaf on it. And Krishna is always with you. I hope that for the Gemini sign people this month goes out very well. Please be focused. Please be very concentrated on yourself. Keep yourself healthy. Maintain all the kind of discipline that you have to maintain. Things are going to be very good in the near future. If some times are bad, so that does not mean that your life is going to suffer from this only month. So you just have to feel like that, and everything is going to be easy. Jai Shri Krishna.